In this video we will give complete information about bird's eye chili. Watch this video till the end. Kandhari Melaku is a chili pepper commonly found in Kerala, Meghalaya and few other Asian countries. Some also call it mouse rat droppings. It is known as bird's eye chili because birds love to pick the ripe chili. Black drongo is one of the main contender for eating bird's eye chili in Kerala. Chilies are very small in size, not more than 2 to 3 centimeters, yet pungent and hot. This chilies will make your eyes water if you eat one. Most Kandhari Melaku sold in Kerala market are hybrid ones. It will be larger in size and will be mild in flavor and spice content. Bird's eye chili flower faces down and chili is upward facing the sky. Bird's eye chili is one among the 10 hottest chili peppers in the world. Kandhari is difficult to find in supermarket or other vegetable shop because it is considered somewhat native fruit in Kerala. All the native varieties are looked down by officials and the whole community. But Kandhari also has a different issue. It is very labor intensive to harvest and production is very low as compared to other chilies. Kandhari helps in increasing appetite by stimulating the gut and is very effective in controlling flatulence. It is high in capsaicin. It is very effective in controlling cholesterol levels. When you eat chilies your body temperature rises. To bring back body to normal temperature it would burn more calories, which will make you lose weight and waste elimination speeds up. Indigenous people used this chili to treat bruises and swelling. It makes blood thin, ultimately clearing the bruised or damaged area and supplying fresh blood to the affected parts. Some also claim it makes you extremely alert. Bird's eye chili was also traditionally used to ease arthritis pain. Chilies can also be used as an insect repellent when crushed with water. However, when there is cheaper alternate like cow's urine, why use chilies? I am not sure if this is practiced even today. After delivery of babies, mothers are given a glass of Kandhari juice. Smallest Kandhari is the best Kandhari compared with average chili. Green or ripe chilies can be used for cooking or can be eaten raw with other dishes. In Kerala Christian community, especially farmers, eat them a lot mostly with kappa, cassava, or in the form of the jia shamanthai, coconut chutney. It has a very distinct smell and imparts great flavor to the food. Especially buttermilk. This is a perennial plant bearing chilies throughout the year if taken care, expect for a few months. Plant reaches a height of 1.5 to 2 meters. They are shade-loving plants and need regular supply of water. It will withstand direct sunlight if adequate water is supplied but may not fruit. If you ignore this plant after sowing. During summer months leaves will wither and plant will go into hibernation, provided it is in open ground and not in a flower pot. When it starts to rain this plant will get back in action. This plant lives for 6 to 7 years. However, after 3 to 4 years production may drop. It is ideal for intercropping with coconut and other plantation as Kandhari does not need direct sun.